In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-archive emails in New Outlook. Now, the classic auto-archive time-based feature is actually not available in the New Outlook, and that's why we're going to have to add a new rule, and we're going to create it that way, okay? So just follow my steps. First, you want to go to the top right, click on the settings cogwheel. Then you want to go to Mail over here on the left. And then as you can see, there's a bunch of things. You want to click on the fifth one, which says Rules. So click on that and click on Add Rule over here. Now from here, you want to give it a name. So I'm just going to name this one Auto Archive. Just like this. Of course, you can name it whatever. I'm going to leave it like this, so I'll be able to, of course, differentiate it from the others later if I'm going to add more. And then when it says add a condition, you want to basically choose a condition. So for example, over here, I'm going to select from, but of course, you can go and do whatever you want over here. So if you want to auto archive from some specific sender, of course, you can go and select this. If, of course, you want to do emails received for others, etc., there's a bunch of different things you could also do. Of course, you can set a condition when a subject includes, or of course when a subject or body include, etc. What I'm going to do is just do from over here, so it's going to auto archive all the emails sent from a specific person. So I'm going to do from over here, and I'm just going to type in myself, okay? So I'm just going to do instant how to, and there we go, I have myself, so we're going to be able to test it out as well. You can also add multiple conditions, so it can be like from a person, and then also it has to include like a word in your title. It also has to be of specific importance, etc. Okay, so up to you. I'm just going to leave this one, and that's going to be it. Then from here, you can also add an action, and of course, the action over here is going to be to move the email to the archive folder, which is going to essentially auto archive. Okay, so I'm going to click on over here, and I'm going to do organize, move to, and then you have to select a folder, and I'm going to do archive. If you can't see it, click on here and search for archive, and you should be able to see it. Okay, now that's the only action I'm going to do, and what I'm going to do here is actually click on the run rule now. Of course, you can do that or not, depending on if you actually want to do this for your mails you have already. Now I'm going to click on the save button, and there we go. The rule has been created. This means it's actually enabled over here, and make sure it is enabled. Okay, now after this, you can of course go ahead and test it. So it was, of course, if I get an email for myself, it's going to go into the archive folder. So I'm just going to go in a new email up top. I'm going to type in my email over here, just like that. And I'm going to actually send this to myself. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to type in test archive, and I'm going to go down here as well, and I'm going to hit the send button. Now you'll see that, there we go, it's going to basically receive the email, and as you can see here, it automatically went into the archive, and my message is now over here, okay? So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.